Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Cherokee oil change light. After an oil change, it's important to reset the system so your vehicle's maintenance schedule remains accurate. This quick and easy process ensures your dashboard indicator functions correctly, reminding you when your next service is due. You can perform this simple task yourself, saving a trip to the mechanic. Let's get started with the first method. The first method involves a simple ignition cycle. Begin by turning your Jeep's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor 3 times within a 10-second window. After the third press, turn the ignition completely off. This should reset the oil change indicator. If the light persists, don't worry, there's another common method we can try. For some Jeep Cherokee models, you might use the steering wheel controls. First, turn your ignition to the on position. Use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to navigate the menu until you find the oil life display. Once you see the oil life percentage, press and hold the OK button. The system will then prompt you to confirm the reset. Select YES to complete the process and clear the indicator light. After attempting either reset method, start your Jeep Cherokee's engine to verify that the oil change indicator light is no longer illuminated. If the light persists, simply repeat the steps for the method you used, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get it right. Remember, keeping up with your oil changes is crucial for engine longevity. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.